Hey guys, since the last video I have finished knitting the leg, and in this video I'm going to show you how to knit the rest of the sock. At this point you should be at the beginning of your round. Continue using the last needle to knit the next 11 stitches. Turn and make a double stitch. For that, slip the first stitch purlwise and pull on the strand until you get a double stitch. Purl 21 stitches and turn again. Make another double stitch by slipping the first stitch knitwise, wrapping the yarn around the needle and pulling on the strand until you get a double stitch. Knit until you get to the last double stitch and turn. Make a double stitch and purl until you get to the last double stitch. Continue making double stitches at the beginning of each row until you have 7 double stitches on each side and 8 knit stitches in the middle. I will show you the last row where I make the last double stitch. Make a double stitch, then knit 8 stitches. Knit the next 7 double stitches as knit stitches. Knit across the next 2 needles. Knit the other 7 double stitches through the back loops. Knit until you get to the beginning of the round, then knit 2 more rounds of knit stitches. Next, knit 5 knit stitches. Turn and make a double stitch. Purl 9 stitches, then turn again. Make a double stitch and knit until you get to the last double stitch. Knit the double stitch as a knit stitch, knit 1 more stitch and turn. Make a double stitch, then purl until you get to the last double stitch. Purl the double stitch through the back loops. Pull one more stitch and turn. Repeat the last 2 rows until you reach the beginning of the needle. I am now showing you the last row of the heel. Make a double stitch and knit 10 stitches so that you are back at the beginning of the round. Knit 1 round of knit stitches where you knit the first double stitch that comes up as a knit stitch. Knit this double stitch through the back loops. Continue knitting an ocean view until the foot is long enough. I am making the foot of my sock about 7.5 centimeters long. After the foot is finished, switch to blue for the toes. Knit 1 round of knit stitches before you start knitting the decreases. Knit until you get to the last 3 stitches of the first needle. Knit 2 stitches together and knit the last stitch. On the second needle, knit a stitch, then slip, slip, knit. Knit until you get to the last 3 stitches of the third needle. Knit 2 stitches together and knit the last stitch. On the last needle, knit a stitch, then slip, slip, knit. Knit the rest of the round. Decrease like this in every other round until 7 stitches per needle are left. Then decrease in every round until you are down to 2 stitches per needle. I hope you enjoyed this video series. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon!